Hi, I'm Vandana Tomar and I run a cooking studio by the name of Beyond Sibo. Today we are learning a very interesting dip which is called Italian style antipasti dip. You need some nice extra virgin olive oil, some hung curd, sun-dried tomatoes in oil, fresh garlic, fresh basil leaves, salt and pepper to taste, and my favorite ingredient, which is the parmesan dust. I start mixing up everything. My curd. To make the dip, I'm taking about 400 grams of curd, which has been hung about for an hour. Basil leaves, about 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of garlic. If you don't like too much of garlic flavor, I love garlic flavor, then you can also go in for half teaspoon. About 2 chunks of sun-dried tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of parmesan dust. And salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm going to just mix everything in a blender. So now once it's blended, I put about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just be sure that you use a good quality extra virgin oil. And we blitz it once again. That's it. So now the dip is ready. It's that quick. So you would find the dip is little on the watery side. For that you have to just chill it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour and it becomes really thick and creamy. And also all dips taste best when they are like cold. Do not ever serve any dip at room temperature. If you like this video, do subscribe to herzindagi.com channel. Thank you for watching this video.